So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add bookings reviews on your Duda website. So the first thing you want to do is to actually open up your website builder and then just leave it for now on this different tab, and we're going to open up a new one and type out elf site. Now elf site is going to be uh, an widget creator. So you can go through here and see some of the options you can set up. So on there, you can go to catalog, which will give you some of the apps they offer. So it's not really apps, they offer templates for widgets. So it makes it easier for you to set it up. So you can go to bookings, for example, or if not popping up, you can see here booking.com. So that will be pretty much something very similar to that. You can even see form builder and contact form, some or all-in-one reviews. But if you want something more specific like this, you can see carousel widget, you can see floating. So they give you a lot of options with different widgets. So you can see booking.com URL. You will need to paste your account. So open up your booking account, paste it on here. After that, you can see the option publish, and you can see here for free, and you can see then get an URL. After you're done with that, go to here, click on widgets. So that will mean that you are adding a special widget. You can see how many options you have. After that, go to HTML, paste it on here, and then you can add your widget through here or edit it through here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.